Hi guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. So without further ado, let's start. The first step is to check your internet connection. You want to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. The second one is to set your date and time automatically. You can also log out and then log in again on your Instagram account. And now, if you already done that, you want to clear your Instagram cache. And if it's still not working, you want to go and then restart your device. You can also update or reinstall Instagram app. If your Instagram app is still couldn't refresh feed, what you're going to do is to contact Instagram support. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.